Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Friday 15 March 2024, my trade setup directions for today will be long on the Aussie, the yen and the pound, short on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the Canadian dollar. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. Dollar index, well, this is what I was hoping for to the cost of some of my open trades. So the sudden dollar strength on quite mixed news yesterday. That's why I hate fundamentals personally, but that's my humble opinion about it. On the end, the market found direction on dollar bullishness due to, well, not due to, but amid all the mixed news coming out in the US. But now I'm getting what I was hoping for to a certain extent. Yes, I gave back some open profits, but that doesn't really matter. I want better direction. I was worried about the direction. These early reversals, I don't like them. I don't like the early reversals, just like when you see up there. They're there, the top reversal is there, but you usually get this retracement before it then comes the big moves and the persistent moves come. Right. So this is what I'm after. I needed the bears to prove themselves by fighting off the bulls on a retracement. So this is the area, this is the coup de grace now for the next day or two or three. We will see the fight here, what happens here, and then we will see, will the bulls push it right through and keep going with the flag pattern, or will they reverse down for another nice leg down the page? Gold holding well for a stronger dollar on yesterday. That shows me that the dollar bullishness is not that strong, but gold pushing. We saw the retest of the level I mentioned on yesterday's video, but I didn't get a real reversal. I did get a position with the trend catcher robot, got a position there also, and let's hope that works out well. That can make up all the losses that I took on the other two or three trades. That's now on the robot side. The manual trading lost a small little bit of money on the retracement, but I'll get to those charts just now. But gold holding well at the support level, the break, the retest, and now I didn't get a counter reversal, so I could not go in. I'm still fine with it. I'm still fine trying to get an entry here. So if it's going to come back down, maybe give us a double bottom or some counter reversal next week, I'll still do it. Worried about the strong dollar, although I will see. I will see how it reacts by the time it gets back down there. For now, I'm cautious on gold. I can't be very bullish because dollar is getting stronger and I can't fight that. So yeah, I've been fighting the yen, and the yen has been proving me wrong for many years now. Once it hits the strong level, it just gets dribbled down the page within a few days. It's the weakest again, but it didn't happen this time around. So yeah, S&P 500, we got the long, we got to the first target, closing half of the position. Now retracing back, hitting the trailing stop loss. So this was a very nice 1 to 2 Ross reward trade there, and a 1 to 1 on the balance of the trade. Didn't get further. If you closed everything at the 1 to 2 Ross reward, perfect. Nothing wrong with that. I wish I did, but I was pushing for a much higher level. On that weak dollar, I had to push higher. So this time around didn't pay off. But nonetheless, very nice exit, target hit just before the drop, and then the trailing stop loss. That was lovely. With a stronger dollar, I will not be looking for any long positions for today. I'll wait for next week. In the Nasdaq trade, we got that trade also trailed the stop loss from down there to just below the 50s. They missed the stop loss yesterday by millipoints. So still good, but not looking great. With a stronger dollar, not looking good. But I've reduced my risk. I've got about a 60% of the regional risk with all the nice profits on the S&P 500. I'm fine and willing to carry this, so let's hope for the best there. Stop still in the place, but no new trades for today. I won't do anything new here, well, unless the dollar weakens a lot. But it's Friday. I don't think I will look at any changes there. But for now, I just sit with an open trade and see what happens. Euro US, just to wrap it up, we got the long, nice start to the trade. Trailed the stop loss to just a couple of pips in the minus. That got hit yesterday on the news. So no harm done. Small loss here. I would rather like big profits. But yeah, small loss. I will settle for that in the circumstances. I'm glad I did trail the stop loss. Now I'm out of the trade at a very, very small loss. But I'm taking this one off my watch list for today also. You can look there, Euro US, both neutral. So as the dollar strengthens, I don't want to try to take longs here. I'll look at that next week again. So I'm removing it off my watch list for today. In the pound, we also got the long, did the same as the euro. And I trailed the stop loss there with about 20% of my original risk, 20-30% of my original risk. That got hit at a loss, so sadly. But as I said, I was hoping for a dollar strength to go and retest that. We can get clear-cut direction, but at present, a little bit of a few small losses, but really, really small. I'm not worried about that. But with the pound and the dollar there, I'm not going to touch this today, so I'm removing this also from my watch list. In the New Zealand yen, I've been talking about this for quite a while. We had the test, evening star coming down, closing nicely down there. So that was a short opportunity with a stop loss of about 30-35 odd up to 40, hitting the bottom line here, which is a very, very nice T1 that you can use. Not 100% 1 to 1.5, but I guess that'll be good for a T1. Pushing it further, I would go now for 1.27, that area there. That'll turn out to be a nice handsome profit of roughly 80 pips for the risk of about 30-35. All right, so very nice trade on the short side. Let's hope it keeps going down the page. If it can break through, you can even push a little bit further to the 1.618. But if you look at the 1.27, strong levels coming in there on the previous sideways ranges. So very strong, although the 1.618 FIP. If you got more than one position, be my guest. That's definitely looking good. So I would take a T1 there, a final target or a T2 there, but definitely nothing further than the 1.618. I love this level. Most likely you're going to see a retracement by the time it hits these levels. I can't see it going down in a straight line. So for now, that's my targets that I'll be using, those two. And let's see what happens for the rest of the day and Monday. At least now, hit the T1, trail stop loss to entry that you can't lose money. That's the important thing. Close something and stop to entry. That means you've backed some money, no chance of losing money. So New Zealand yen, definitely. New Zealand, the black sheep again. Yen, all the sparkle. So let's hope there for the best. Nice evening star. Let's see how it plays out further. Aussie, New Zealand. Quite surprised. Big, strong Aussie move against the New Zealand. This last directional swing, 61% FIP retracement to the structure. That's the only time I want to be long here. I want to be long, but not at these levels. I won't try breakouts, especially not on a Friday, and especially not on a Friday morning. So for now, I'm holding on tight there. Not holding on tight, but waiting patiently for retracement. Aussie, Swiss. Aussie strong, Swiss red here. You can see clearly, but not at these levels. Very sideways. I'll see for consolidations next week, but for now, I'm going to need a retest of this Fibonacci level here at the structure. Other than that, I'm not interested. Aussie CAT, still very strong Aussie CAT, red zone there. These two levels, I've had it up for quite a while now. Same two levels I'm watching for some long setups. And the US yen retracing quite nicely on the dollar strength, but yen is not budging at all. So I'm still watching that 61% FIP level there, which I've showed you. Very strong level coming in there, right below the 61% levels. That's the area I'm going to look for some shorts and some counter reversals. Brent oil, same as what I said yesterday. Still got the consolidation, a nice break. Now the retest I'm after. Other than that, I want to be long oil, but not at these levels. I want to get oil at these levels, and then I'll look for some counter reversals. CAT yen, same as previously also. CAT red zone, yen green zone. I want to be short here. I'm waiting for that 61% level before I'll consider anything. Swiss yen, testing the levels. I marked this yesterday, so let's see now. I just need that level there to be retested. Other than that, I'm not going to short the Swiss here at these levels. It's getting close to the support levels. I would love to see a retracement and then the bears proving themselves. In the pound Swiss, nice double bottom or ABC here. You can see it comes back down nicely at support. ABC, now it hit that level there. Missed the retracement I showed you yesterday, but still between 50 and 61%. The break was quite strong on the double bottom, so I need the retest and I'll consider some longs. Pound green zone, Swiss red zone, so I'm good for that. And my favorite trade idea for today is along on the Aussie US. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me so I can keep making content like this. And then don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now, on the Aussie US, that was the best setup I could find. I would not say it's particularly my favorite setup. None of these setups are particularly my favorite setup. Maybe the pound Swiss was a better option for my favorite setup. But this one is hitting the levels and there's a potential reversal. Aussie US, still fine there. Aussie getting stronger. Dollar holding, so I'm still cautious. But this needs now to close in the next 12 minutes above the halfway mark. So by the time you get this, well, you will see the closing price here. Other than that, I'm going to need another candle reversal here to go long on. But a very nice retracement. We had a big swing, now toiling with the 61% levels. Aussie gaining across the board. Yes, dollar gaining also, but I think the Aussie is still stronger than the dollar. So, and then if we're going to see on the end of day charts that moving averages I showed you on the dollar index, if that's going to find resistance and reverse, we're going to see a very, very strong bull run out of this. But I'm still cautious. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences. Tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.